One and all, welcome to the video. My name is Big Rich X. If you are trying to play the Battlefield 6 beta and are having trouble getting into the game, there is one simple and easy fix that at least worked for me. I can't guarantee it'll work for everyone, but you just need to repair, that is right, repair your game. Battlefield dropped a beta patch or what have you, and you need to just go in, select the game you want in the library, and repair it. I will demonstrate that feature if the EA app will launch appropriately so that I can display it. I don't think it'll launch appropriately because I'm in the game. Jordan, if you would give me one moment. Anyways, you're going to come on over to your EA app or Steam, but I'll show EA app first. Manage and just click repair. Once it's finished repairing, then you should be good to go. To do the same thing in Steam, if you have it on Steam, for instance, I'll just go to one of the, like this game, you hit the little cog wheel right here, boom, manage, manage, and nope, that's not it. Why did I not know this beforehand? Jordan, help me out. You go to properties and then installed files and then verify integrity. I done fudged it up mid-video, but you get the idea. I'm keeping this short, sweet, and to the point. There won't be a long, drawn-out explanation because this isn't one of them weird how-tos. It's just a quick fix I noticed on how to fix the Battlefield 6 beta. So, Battlefield 6 beta for manage, repair for Steam, settings, go to files, installed files, I should say, or manage, or go to properties, then installed files, then verify integrity of game files. And that's the video, folks. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.